What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. Welcome to another episode of Is It a Hack or Is It Whack? So on this video, we're going to be testing if dishwasher tabs are truly a miracle oven cleaner. So let's go ahead and get into this. On all the videos I saw floating around, you are supposed to take a cup of hot water, take out the center red piece, and dunk the dishwashing tab in the water to activate it, and then basically just start scrubbing with the dishwasher tab. Initially, I see that right away it is taking off the grease and built-on scum on the glass and the door. And I like it because it reminds me of those scoring sticks, except maybe this is even better because it has soap in it. So it's actually like cleaning it instead of just roughly scraping the stuff off. So I'm just going around the whole door, seeing how I like it. And I do see that it is doing a pretty good job of pulling everything up. And as you can see, when I wipe it here, yeah, see, look at all of that gunk that it pulled up. I am creating this series because I want to be able to help you guys out and save your time and let you guys know what truly is a hack or what is not. So many things are going around there on the internet and you just honestly don't know if somebody faked it and you think that it works and then you try it and you're disappointed. So I hope that I can save you guys some time by being truthful and honest and letting you know what I think of these different things that I'm trying and if they truly are hacks. So far on the glass and on the door, I would say that this is a hack. I do enjoy it, but I'm going to hold off on my final opinion until we do the inside of the oven because that's where the real tough caked on stuff is, right? So far it's a hack. I also am aware that there is oven cleaner and other things that you can be cleaning with, but like I said, this is supposed to be a hack and this is supposed to make it easier for you or maybe give you something else to clean with if you don't have the oven cleaner. Now I have moved on to the inside of my oven to really test this out to see if it's truly a hack or not. And I must say, this is when my opinion changed. Now I no longer like the dishwasher tab for cleaning. It just kind of is super messy. It's crumbling and dissolving everywhere, and it is still picking up stuff. It still is cleaning up things, but maybe not as well as I would like. But as it dissolves more, it kind of is just making a big mess and crumbling everywhere. And then this reminds me of when people clean their oven with baking soda. I also hate that because I hate the cleanup. I hate the mess. Like, it's just not fun. But yeah, as you can see, look at what it's doing. And so now it's kind of like, I liked it for cleaning the door and the glass, but I do not like it for cleaning the inside of the oven. So I don't know. Am I allowed to give it both? Am I allowed to say this is a hack and whack? It's a hack for cleaning your glass door and the door if it's not glass, but it's whack for the inside of your oven. Don't do this. I prefer easy off. I actually have a video on easy oven cleaning that I will put above so you guys can go ahead and watch that and see how you can actually easily clean your oven. Seriously, this is just no bueno. Look at the mess it made, and it didn't even do that great of a job. But at least you guys know, don't do this, and I will save you some time from having to clean all this up. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you in this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Follow me along on this journey, and share this video with your friends so they know not to try this. See you in the next video. Bye.